Hi guys. So I rearranged my porch a little bit. This side of my porch gets a lot more sun than this side over here, and I didn't think the hydrangea was going to get enough sunlight, so I moved it over here. So I decided to bring my conversation out here because my neighbors had their front door open, and when I'm standing on my stairs like that, I didn't want to feel like I was invading their space. We don't get a lot of sunlight on that side of our house, all of us here, so everyone leaves their front doors open. So what I wanted to talk about with my Supertunias is I think that I may have put too many in my pots. I've been watching some gardening shows, and it seems like these things can get really big, and I feel like maybe I didn't give them enough space to expand. So if I'm going to move them or remove one or two plugs, I'll say, from each one of those, one or two plants from each one, then I've got to do it now before they become too rooted. But I really don't know what to do because I want big. I want big. But I think I might have planted them too tight. So I think I make that video, that face for every video, don't I? Like that's my thinking face. Like, what am I gonna do? I don't know. What do you guys think? Throw some comments out there, down below. Let me know. I'm really indecisive about it because, if I take two plants out of each pot, that gives me four more plants. And are those two other pots going to really see that difference by removing two of them? And then I have a whole other pot that I can fill up with those things. Like this here, for example. The hyacinths. It would give me flowers still to plant over the hyacinths, going back to my original idea with the Supertunias. And that's my cat Bob. Bob doesn't like that there's a wall separating us. He could be high maintenance sometimes, though he wouldn't say so. Anyway, see you later, guys. We'll see what this weekend brings us. Bye. Oh, look, we got two cats. Oh, we got three cats. Oh my God, you guys are getting to see all of them. That was Simon and that's Julia. Oh, none of them are pleased with me because I am outside. Anyway, see you later, guys. Bye.